I do understand that the mental health component is one of the requirements where they want or possibly agreeing to plea, but I just don't feel.
All right, folks, buckle up. This case right here is a roller coaster. Back in 2023, this defendant made waves after a heated retaliation case against her ex. But fast forward to now, and she's back in court, blue jumpsuit, probation hanging by a thread, and questions swirling about her mental fitness. What happened in those missing months? Was justice served, or are we watching another fall from grace? Let's break it all down, because what unfolds next in this courtroom will leave you questioning just how thin the line between rehabilitation and relapse really is.
All right, why were you late for court?
The list was ready made.
All right, let me just tell you this. Everybody has heard this story from me before. It's a true story. I used to take the bus, and I had clients who would be at court for me at 9 o'clock. And to make sure that I was here on time for the court, I would catch a bus and I would end up getting to court as early as 7 a.m., sometime late as 7:30 a.m., and the court didn't open till 9. So you need to make sure that you're on time for court. If you're not on time for court, then what's going to end up happening is we will help you be on time, because the bus schedule from the Bexar County Jail, it usually runs on time. And I usually know where people are when they're at the Bexar County Jail, and you'll be brought over in a blue outfit and we'll hear your case while you're in custody. Do you understand? All right. So where are we on this case?
Your Honor, the state's made an offer. I haven't conferred with defense since we made the offer.
No, we just want a regular reset to go over the offer and everything and come back with the.
Do you have all the discovery?
Yes, I do.
Have you tendered the offer to your client?
Yes, I have.
All right. Is there going to, Ms. Rodriguez, are we going to have any issues with you with drug testing? Are they going to be clean?
Should be clean.
What does that mean? Should be.
This is where things take a serious turn. The judge's warning isn't just courtroom talk. When he mentions NA meetings and the risk of overdose, he's acknowledging something much deeper. This isn't just a theft case anymore, it's a fight for survival. What's striking here is how lenient yet firm the court is being, offering a chance for help instead of punishment. But here's the catch. Under deferred adjudication, one violation, one dirty test, could send her straight to jail for up to 10 years. So let's pause. What would you do in her shoes? Would you take that deal and try to start over, or risk it all by slipping again?
Because here's the thing, I'll have you tested today. I have some concerns. So if I drug test you today, what are the results going to be? What could it possibly be? Here's the
Marijuana. I asked the same question. She said possible.
Marijuana, and what else? What have you used in your past life? Now, here's what everybody will tell you. I'm sure your attorney has told you. You're here for a theft case. And from speaking to you, it appears that there are other issues that are going on in your world.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to figure out what those issues are. You understand? All right. So I don't know what you're using. I think it may be more than marijuana. I'm going to give you a reset, but let me forewarn you. Whenever you take a drug, whatever it may be, there's always a chance that that's the last time you're going to take that drug, because you may end up having an overdose. So when you leave from this court today, your best options for your best life is to go to an NA meeting or somewhere so people can help you. You understand? All right. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 2-week turnaround on this for a plea deadline date? All right, we're going to come back on October 21st. That's going to be your plea deadline date. At that time, you need to let me know whether or not you're accepting the state's plea bargaining agreement. You understand? All right, the only reason why I'm not pushing this case today is because I think you need help with your attention, and I think that can be accomplished in 2 weeks. So make sure that when you leave here today, that you go to an NA meeting. They have NA meetings all downtown, so you can walk to it. You don't even need the bus. You understand?
Friends.
And counsel, can you let her know where the NA meetings are located so she can go to that?
Certainly.
All right. Do you have any children at home?
I'll start this Friday.
Okay. All right. Take care of yourself. Okay.
Excuse?
Yes.
Thank you.
26 because they wanted that jury.
Okay, so since that point, she was never seen again, never heard of. I always tried to see where she was because that update would have been juicy. But then we were blessed this week. Let's roll.
I wanted to get your opinion on something.
Okay.
We've been conferring with the state. I've conferred with her for about an hour plus, hour and a half. It is my opinion that she needs a little more of a mental health, and I don't mean the mental health evaluation. I think the competency is my question. She's asking the same question over and over, and it's
So are you
mainly
saying
because
she's not competent?
I don't think she's understanding what's going on, and then I have spurts of, I think, lucidity where I think she's getting it, and now I don't think she understands. However, I do understand that the mental health component is one of the requirements where they want or possibly agreeing to plea, but I just don't feel, because the
Now,
question
here's
keeps
the
coming
thing.
up.
If you don't think she's competent, then we'll schedule her for a competency evaluation.
So what I would request is that I really don't know how to approach this, Judge. Maybe if we start the proceeding and you feel like, because I know the court can also, I don't want to be paranoid. So I don't know. I don't want to put her at more time because she has been there 6 weeks, I believe.
All right. So here's the thing. If you believe that she's not competent, then we can't proceed. So you're on community supervision, a form of probation. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So what you're on probation for is a 3rd-degree felony. So you're on probation for obstruction or retaliation as a 3rd-degree felony. Do you understand? All right. The range of punishment for that is anywhere from 2 to 10 years. And the reason why it's from 2 to 10 years is because you're on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? All right. So if you were to enter into a plea of true to any of the allegations that are in the motion to revoke, then I could find it true. Do you understand? And if I find it true, it doesn't matter if you have worked out an agreement with your counsel in the state, I could still sentence you to 10 years. Do you understand? Okay. All right. Just have a seat. We're going to get with you in just a moment. All right. Just have a seat.
Judge.
Thank you. All right. Who else is ready?
Judge, I have.
Are you off docket?
Off document.
Oh, then you're at the end.
Oh, sorry.
Said the alcohol is page 4 went down.
And there it is, the curveball no one saw coming. After months off the radar, she returns not just facing probation revocation, but now questions about her competency to even stand trial. That's a major shift. If she's ruled incompetent, proceedings pause completely until mental stability is restored. It's a reminder that beneath every courtroom drama lies a human struggle, addiction, trauma, and sometimes untreated illness. So what do you think? Was the court right to push for evaluation, or should her probation have been revoked long ago? Drop your thoughts below. And if you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your take in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns, because this is just the beginning.